Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. We are going to be talking about hair. If you are not familiar, this is the Conair Curl Secret. I call it my sucky-any. If you've not heard of it, it is a product that I use very regularly. I would say at least once a week to curl my hair. If you look at my hair right now, it has gel in it and a leave-in conditioner, and then I just blow dried it. This was yesterday. I blow dried it and scrunched it. So this is my natural hair look. There's no hairspray in it. But when I want a more defined curl, this is the product that I use. This is the product that I have had for over 8 years now. So some people think it's weird because it pulls the hair in and then pops a curl out. We're going to do a demo. But I love it. I have recommended it to a lot of people. I have a few friends and family members that own it now. But what I saw is that Conair came out with a new product. And this is the same concept, but I'm assuming an upgraded design. And of course, as you can see, it is cordless. So I have not touched this. Today we are going to play. So if you want to see a comparison, if you're interested in weird hair styling products, then just keep watching. So what is in my hair today is this Ouidad, I'm assuming I'm pronouncing it correctly. This is a gel that was actually recommended to me by my sister. And the leave-in conditioner is this Sexy Hair leave-in conditioner product. So I will tell you that most of the directions say that you need to comb out your hair. I do not do that. So always read the directions. But what we're going to do is I'm going to show you half of my hair done with this product. And then we're going to watch me struggle through the other side with the product that I've never used. So what I do is I take a small piece of hair and just push it in. The circle part is supposed to be facing your head. So I clip it right here, and you can clip it in different places, but I like a tighter curl. So then you squeeze it shut, it pulls it in, and it counts to 3. Or you can wait until it beep, 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 beeps. And you let go, and there's the curl. So I'll show you a couple more, and then I'll do it a little bit more on fast forward. So you do want to be careful not to get too much hair, or it will get stuck. And that's what I'm praying will not happen on the other side. As this one is counting, 1, 2, 3, I'm pulling the next piece of hair. I can do my whole head in 5 minutes. So we'll do a third one, and then I'll speed you up. So we're counting. 1, 2, 3. All right, let me keep going on this head, and then we will see what happens on the other side. So there it is, one side done. And if you don't like one of the curls, you can always go over it and do it again. Now, I'm glad that happened, because if you heard that 3 beeps, that means the hair got tangled. So you just open it up and let the hair come out. So we're just putting it back in. I have gotten my hair caught in this, and you just have to carefully pull it out. I do unplug it to make sure that no damage happens. But if you're careful, and you probably should comb out your hair, but I do not. So then I go and I look and I make sure that all the curls are happy. We're gonna let them have some air. So now you see the difference between the natural hair and the curled hair. So now we're gonna play with this guy. Wish me luck. This is my first time. I have no idea what I'm doing. I probably should watch a video on it, but I'm just gonna jump. I'm just gonna jump on and see Let's see what happens. I'm going to turn a video on. Okay, watched a video. I just wasn't sure how to get the hair into that. So I did one curl. It feels a little awkward, but we're going to get used to it. We're going to see if it is easier to have something that is cordless. So you just put the hair through the chamber like so. We're going to figure this out. Wow. I'm struggling. I didn't get it all. Oh, okay. Well, it worked. Let's keep going. And then I'll fast forward you. Oh, that one went easier. Sometimes you just have to practice. The curls are a bit different. Let's do one more. All right, we got through it. It was definitely easier to do the lower pieces than the higher pieces, and we definitely have a little bit of sort of frizz looking stuff up here. So let me try to grab a couple more pieces on the top and redo them. But I think it's just going to be a learning curve. Watching it in the mirror. There we go. Let's try that and see if that smooths it out a little bit. I actually have the setting on 400, the right side, because I feel like these are going forward, so I can't tell if they're going forward or backwards. Either way, it looks more natural when they have different directions. This one looks a little weird. Let's throw this one in again. But obviously I'm not giving it the 12 beeps. I just wanted the higher temperature setting. I need to spend some more time with the directions. But you do want it to cool a little bit before you run your fingers through it. But I definitely gotta comment below if you remember Nellie Olson. Little Nellie Olson thing going on. So I'm just gonna shake it out. And this is what we've got. You can run your fingers through it. You can throw a little bit of hairspray in it. And if there's pieces that you don't like after you're done, you can run the curling iron or the curl secret through it again. See, here's the old one. And you can tell I'm just so much more used to this one. So tell me what you think. Can you see a difference? I will have to keep you updated to see if I do get a little more used to this one. As far as weight, they feel about the same. Obviously, the fact that this is cordless is nice. I didn't mention, but I picked this up on Ulta's website. They had a 20% off coupon. So I thought, heck yeah, I believe it was $79.99. Here is the finished look. You can take a comb and you can work on those roots if you wanted more volume. You could take a smoothing serum and smooth it out. Take a little hairspray. Here's my Aussie one that I like. This is, what is this? The Aussie Instant Freeze hairspray. And this one really holds it. But I like it. I like it a lot. The curls do relax a little bit, and then you can get a couple days hair out of this using a little dry shampoo. This was fun. This was different. Tell me what you thought. Do you own this? Are you interested in getting this? Does it look crazy? Like I said, this takes me 5 minutes to get through my hair. I'm going to keep practicing with this one and see if it is worth it, worth the change. I can't believe how long this one has lasted. And yes, if you are not careful, you can get your hair stuck in it. My suggestion is just to unplug it and be very careful. Just take small sections, probably read the directions and brush through your hair until at least you get more comfortable with it. But I give it a thumbs up. Gonna need a little more time to make sure that I can work fast with it, but it's a nice product. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I am a makeup enthusiast. I love to try new makeup, play with my existing makeup. Obviously, when you're looking for the full package, hair gets involved as well. This is my first hair video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or I should just stick to makeup. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. I upload videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.